something hit the bolt. Right?
It's like the dip came apart.
How'd you do? Above 80. All right.
I think so.
Okay. I guess like, yeah, here goes this, but not too bad. But I can throw 360. Maybe.
Yeah, okay.
90.66. Hell yeah. You.
I'm waiting. I had a correction, so I'm waiting here.
So you think above an 80?
Hope so. Let's see.
Nothing much, but I don't know. Time-wise, maybe a challenge.
Right.
I can move that. God damn, Kevin, you look fantastic.
You know it.
That edge is gonna get beat up. It's starting to They overturned your battle. It's going one more time. They protested it.
I guess there was a protest, and now they said it's a one more time.
Yeah, where's Matt?
They just told us right now. I get that it was overturned.
Truck out of here.
Is it official now?
Yeah.
I've heard it through the grapevine.
So yeah.
We're
So
rolling again?
yep, we're gonna run again. So whenever you can.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. You guys got 10. Cool. Hit it. You got it. You started it. Go.
We have 7.5 minutes. Let's put eyes on everything. You're gonna go back up and just put eyes on everything. Go up. Good, straight. This is a good one.
Yeah.
One of those. Oh,
It looks like she's okay though.
yeah.
Yeah.
Good as new. Rear looks pretty good. Y'all good, man? Yeah. Rear shit looks good. Wait till he gets out, drop him back off, and I'll pick this one back up. There's no way he can be towed. No way.
No. Where did we get the fluid from?
It popped his cool suit cooler. Yeah. I'm like, I need a radiator somehow. And then I'm like, wait, no, it's just my cooler.
Oh, so it's just water that's on the
Just
ground?
water.
Okay.
Our box after the battle to be live, and before it wasn't live.
Okay.
We want to revert it back to how it was when we first ran at them.
What? Wait,
Dennis came in by and updated your box after the battle.
Correct. We want it reverted back to how it was. Just Cup came and updated it to be live.
Yeah.
After. We want it to go back to how it was before. We don't want any change.
So there's no, no
weird shit.
I guess. Are you able to pull data and give this to the judges? Because they're saying that I decelled, but I have video, no decel lights go on, but they made a decision based off of that. Are you able to pull data and do that and give it to them?
I mean, I can, not now, at this second.
Graham's there right now with the laptop.
I know, but that's our own data. It's like hard to,
Right. Well, as far as I understand, they're gonna do one run.
Okay.
Because they're in between.
Okay.
And then it's you guys.
Good board.
Yeah.
We're ready.
Collision with the ground, right?
Right.
Contact with the ground.
It contacted something.
Excessive grip.
No, I hit the wall.
Ah.
Yeah, I hit the wall on one. How's it look? Is it okay? Car looks fine.
Yeah. Car looks okay. You got a little bit of rubber marks on the on the body work, but
That doesn't count.
yeah. So throw a wheel on there, should be fine.
Oh shoot, I wanted that to be exciting. That's a good giveaway. Yeah, someone will love that.
You threw it off your car at him, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, that. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
I see.
Yep.
Yeah, if something's flying off, yeah, he hit me back.
Yep. Yeah.
I agree 100%.
Yeah, that's why they popped you on that one. Yep, that's fine. I don't want anybody's heads in the window and the door. I don't like keep a foot back.
I went to grab it on transmission. Look, the e-brakes is sitting back here. It just unthreaded itself. Go far with it. Go far with it. That's good timing.
Now,
Leave on first brake.
this will be like 15 minutes later.
Tire rubber. I think it came down and ignited it. The subframe hit the ground and ignited it, or a backfire or something.
Want to call 5 feet out?
No, I'm saying we gotta clean this straight off of there.
Oh, yeah, but we didn't do that for now, Bob. We're going to be out here anyway.
Is it just water?
Yeah, that's A-triple-F.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys, you ready?
Yes, sir. We'll be there in a second.
All right.
Gotta go.
We have to pull those docket covers out. Yeah, have a back bar. You have to have a back bar. We gotta go. You want to turn it off or leave it on? You're going. I'd probably just take that headlight straight out.
Yeah, coming up.
Do you have a replacement?
We're gonna have to try and reuse this.
No, but I mean for the bolt.
Oh. Yeah, we can make something work.
Okay. There you go. Got a nut on there?
We have time?
2 minutes.
Try to tow it. Come on, tow. We have 20 seconds.
How'd that feel? Oh, it just gave me a little bump and it spun me out. Yeah. I tried to keep going, but I feel like the tire came off, so it just Oh, your tire was like outside.
Wait, he still has the 5, right?
Yeah, he does.
Okay.
Can you get the gun on it?
A long one. 330.
Go.
Let's go! Let's go!
All right. You guys ready to do this or what?
Ready? You guys ready?
All right, somebody hit it. Yep. On you. They're just checking tow. We have 7 minutes remaining.
What else you got? You good? We're cambered in. You're cambered? Yeah. Camber lane.
4 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. We're probably going to be adjusting camber, I'm guessing.
It's broke. The camber bracket's broke. Get the wheel off. All right. Get the wheel off. Wheel off. 4 minutes, 4 seconds. 3/8, 12 points.
3 minutes left, we can still qualify.
Hey, Bright.
We are changing the camber bracket on this car, so they might run out.
Hey, if we go over, we're gonna call back.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Standing with Kevin Wells. Kev, can you tell me what the team's working on?
The upper arm has a bracket on it that adjusts the camber, and basically that was damaged. So the camber was cambered in a lot versus what it would normally be, probably closer to 0 on this setting. So they're taking everything apart to swap out that camber.
So we have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. Do you think that's enough time for the team to fix that?
I think so. They have all the parts, they have everything ready, they just got to get it on there.
Okay, Kevin, thank you so much for the insight. So if we...
I have your 60. You want to take this?
I don't want you looking at any. Well, you're looking at the rules.
There you go.
Oh, look at everything.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Give me this.
It looks like you're just looking at me.
We'll let you know when you need it. Man, I'm just like waiting for something. It's good.
3 minutes and who do we got?
Osbo.
Okay. Just give us a little bit of extra. He got lucky getting through, man. Holy.
Sorry, one more time.
Unanimously